Welcome again, guys. Today I am going to show you a very short video about how I did embossing on one of my small sketchbooks. Embossing with these tools is essentially very easy. I wanted to show you my embossing tool. For those who have never used embossing materials, I'm going to show you real quick how it works. Basically, you use this sort of in my case, the Versamark stamp. It kind of creates like a glue mark onto whatever surface you want. And I also have some markers, and the markers are essentially doing the same thing. You can draw a line wherever you want, and we have actually different kinds of points. This one is for very small details, and this one is actually a bigger brush line, and there are several others. These have sort of a color to them, and if you don't want color, then again use the clear options. And a lot of people like to draw with these things, which is essentially what I like to do the most, but you don't always have to do that. You can also use your own stamps. You're just gonna place them onto your clear watermark stamp pad, and you're just gonna tap it really well and put it on your surface, and you gotta make sure that you really do wet the surface. That way your embossing powder, which is our most important tool, that way you can make sure that that embossing powder is going to stay well to the surface. And I really love this gold. This is one of my favorite materials, and it's the one I'm gonna be using for the actual demonstration part. And this one, I actually recently got it. And now for the fun part, I will show you what I actually did on my demo. So that is all for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching all of the gold embossing as it was melting away. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.